So the next example is actually from an exam question paper. So again, when you get an example like this, you always want to look at the side that is more complicated and get rid of all the 10 ratios that you have in your equation. And in this case, we can see clearly that the left-hand side is more complicated, and therefore we'll take it and say we have 1 divided by sine squared of theta over a cos squared of theta. So this is the same as saying 1 divided by a sine of theta squared over a cos of theta squared, right? If you multiply, therefore the cos goes to the top and the sine goes to the bottom, okay? And therefore your answer here will be cos squared theta over sine squared theta, okay? Therefore, what you have here is a cos squared of theta over a sine squared of theta. Find the common factor. It's the multiplication of your denominator, and then from there you cross multiply. Obviously this is over 1. Then you have a cos squared of theta minus a sine squared of theta cos squared of theta. Okay, so from here you want to take out the common factor at the denominator, which is your cos squared theta. You'll be left with 1 minus a sine squared theta, all divided by a sine squared theta. This here is a trig identity, right? From sine squared plus cos squared equals to 1, and therefore cos squared is 1 minus sine squared. You can have cos squared theta, replace this with a cos squared of theta, all divided by a sine squared of theta. Therefore your answer becomes which is equals to your right hand side.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. For now, peace.